Haya, ndio
muda umepigwa. Unaona kaka unalia. Mwanaume mzima analia.
Hapo. Eka effort, eka nguvu. Eka nguvu bro.
Twende half. Haya, ndio
Mtu anapiga huyo. Muda umepigwa.
Shika vizuri.
Piga nyonga umsana.
Rono.
Jesus is Lord.
Come. What's the problem? What's the problem? You're my very good friend. Unapigana? No, Kiprono, that's not good of you. Okay?
We are discussing even mitochondria in biology.
Mitochondria?
Yeah, mitochondria. The energy of mitochondria and
sijafurahia sana.
Red blood cells.
Amfai kuwa mnapigana shuleni, sawa?
Yeah.
Mnataka niwapeleke suspension?
No.
You want me to take you for suspension?
No, sir, no.
Which kind of behavior is this?
It's very bad. We are going to leave it.
Nataka twende tu. Ninajua nyinyi ni vijana wazuri. Nataka twende staff room kwa ile ofisi yangu. I want us to go and discuss on this behavior. Sawa?
Discuss.
Nataka to discuss na things will work out after that. Sawa?
Yeah, we are good students.
Yes.
We don't fight in school.
I know.
We are just doing practicals in real life. Yeah.
So this is what is going to happen.
And then my friend he is a fan of Roman Reigns.
Okay.
Roman Reigns and John Cena.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So
and a friend of Undertaker.
This is what is going to happen.
Yeah.
Nataka tuandamane unyo kwa unyo hadi kwa ofisi yangu. Tuende kuongelea hiyo maneno huko. Sawa? Sasa tuna disrupt classes huku nje, sawa? Tuende kwa ofisi yangu.
We go to talk.
Tunaenda kuongea, okay?
Let's go to talk, please.
Yes.
Let's go and talk. Tembea. And tuck in your shirt, young man. Tuck in your shirt. Yes, we just want to talk. We should also have a cup of tea. Yes. Okay? Kwa staff room, ile staff room yangu. Yeah. Wewe kwanza ulipata what did you get in chemistry?
I got a D+.
D+. What did you get in chemistry?
I get
70.
Yeah.
That's good. Staff room iko huko tena straight.
Yes,
Mameni hapo. Ingia ndani. Inside.
You should not enter with the shoes in the office of the principal, the office of the deputy principal.
Yani hapo ndani I want to give you some tea.
You should not go with our shoes.
I want to give you some tea. Yes.
Fighting is not good in school.
Yes,
it is not good.
Yes.
Never fight in school.
Yes.
It is a very bad.
So what were you saying?
We were discussing.
You are talking to me while standing up. Can you kneel down?
Yes, sir.
So, nani alianzisha vita between the two of you?
You started.
Who was it?
You started.
I need a straight answer. Who was it?
No, he started.
Who was it? So you are joking with me, young
You
man.
are joking.
Kuja.
You are joking.
No! Simama. Name kwambula ale chini. Come. I want to show you something. This is called the hidden technique. I want you to ingiza hapo kichwa. Only the head. Only the head. Nice. Mkundu up.
Hii ni maajabu.
Up. Mkundu up.
Continue.
Allow Come back here, young man. Come. Come down. Come down. Such behavior. Toka. Hizo zimekuwa ngapi?
What are you saying?
Young
What are
man,
you saying?
zimekuwa
What
ngapi?
is he saying?
72.
Haya. Where is the
Hii ni maajabu.
Hii imeenda. Hii imeenda. Hii imeenda kabisa. Hii imeenda. Hii imeenda.
Where's that young fella?
Please. What type of plane is this? God have mercy
Ni
upon us.
vijana siku hizi. You was just in this room. Young man, I'm talking to you. What's wrong with you? Mama ange. Nini mbaya wewe? Kijana. Unakuwa na shida ya roho? Unakuwa na shida nini? Cha nipigie ambulance kukujie. Kitu gani? Hello? Getman. Ile ambulance ya shule iko? Kujeni tu sasa hivi mchukue, kuna kitu imefanyika hapa kwa ofisi. Just come to the office right now with that ambulance.
What?
Yeah, ASAP, haraka sana. Let ambulance.
Jesus is Lord.
Need to take some chalk. Susonge hivyo wewe. Niende class. Wewe. Ambulance na kukujia. Let me just go. Here it is.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.